This is just a tremendous event every year. So many people come out. We have beautiful weather, and they're here to talk about Wild Earth 2015, which highlights both the Trailside Nature Center, which is just a fantastic learning opportunity for young people in Union County, as well as other opportunities in our region, from the Great Swamp to different individuals who are bringing in wolves and different, raptors and owls, and learning about the nature that Union County has to offer. And we're very proud to have wonderful weather today, but also just a tremendous crowd of residents who are interested in the environment surrounding their homes.
Well, I'll tell you, I'm delighted to be here with Vice Chairman Berg and Freeholder Wright. It's just wonderful to see so many people come out that care about the environment in Union County, that are willing to share some beautiful weather with their fellow residents, and to see these young children, these students with these ideas to save the earth and protect the environment just is great. It's just what we're all about at the Freeholder Board.
The current Freeholder Board, and going back many, many decades, there's been a concern of making sure that we have open space for our citizens here in Union County. And a day like today just proves how important that is. We've got thousands of our residents out here enjoying the sun, enjoying the weather, learning about the environment and how important it is to us all. So certainly we will continue to keep that as a focus of our efforts in the future.
That I'm so proud to be a resident of Union County and to be able to participate with the residents here. I just think the environment is so important for us to protect, and that's what we're doing in Union County.
This is a great event. It brings people out on the week of Earth Day. We coupled this year's Wild Earth Fest, as we did last year, with Touch a Truck. We have hundreds of people coming here, visiting our parks, taking a look at our trails, taking a look at our playgrounds up here. Trailside Museum never lets us down when it comes to keeping Union County residents in touch with nature. And we just look forward to doing this every year. And as you can see, it's a great success.